Breaking! One team saved the multiverse. Obviously us.
What do you mean, one team? That was our save! Here we go. Guys! The other team thinks they saved the multiverse! Then they challenge our glory.
Men and their egos.
Men, our egos.
Too slow.
You think water can stop the Hulk?
I am the king of the seas.
Prepare to be washed away.
We saved 4.2 universes on Tuesday alone.
Truth time! Stop bluffing!
Your star-spangled plan needs work, Cap.
At least it's a plan, Batman. Yours is just brooding.
Let's stir the soup! This is the easiest win of my life!
Wait, why is Hulk yelling at Batman again?
It's all villain manipulation.
Targets located. Time for cleanup.
Comedy Hour is canceled! Should have worn waterproof armor.
So, who actually saved the multiverse?
Together, apparently.
Next time, we verify sources.
Next time, I write the headline.
Smash like Hulk smashes everything.
And subscribe to now with upgraded notifications.